We are here once again in the beautiful city of Owerri Imo State. Owerri is a beautiful city in the eastern part of Nigeria. The city is so beautiful with lush greenery. This city is among the top cities in Nigeria in terms of beauty, clean environment. You can see the city is looking so green, very beautiful and amazing. The city is a city with full of hospitality. When it comes to hospitality, the city is at the top. Now the journey begins. We are going to take you on a tour around the city to see how beautiful, how clean, how amazing the city is. When it comes to clean environment, beauty, I give it to Owerri. The city is so beautiful, calm, serene, with lush greenery. Take a look at the ambience. The city is so amazing, so beautiful. When you compare among the cities in Nigeria based on Nigerian standard, Owerri is among the top 4 or top 3 cities that are beautiful in the country. Owerri is very, very beautiful. One thing that I must commend the governor of the state is the way they maintain the city, the way they trim these carpet grasses. Everywhere is in order. This is really quite commendable. There are some states you will find this beautiful place like this. They will mess up the whole environment. You will see trashes, dirty will litter everywhere. But look at how clean this place looks. Everywhere is clean, no dirtiness, no trashes on the roads. The order is maintained. The cleanliness is maintained. In fact, I give it to Owerri. If someone is standing here and tell you that he is in Europe, you will believe this place is just like Europe. There is no difference. You can see. This is very, very beautiful. Owerri is just underrated for nothing. You know, the media doesn't show Owerri. Some people don't know how Owerri looks. People always see the popular side of Owerri and they think that Owerri ends there. Owerri is beyond what we are thinking. Owerri is beyond that Owerri you know. We have not shown you the estates that are in this area. If you move into the estates, you will think that we are in abroad. What you will see will shock you. Just keep watching. You are gonna see a lot of things that will shock you in this video. Just keep watching.